Hello guys, this is Richa here. Good morning, and you're the most welcome this session, Awesome Blossom English Learner. Today, I just did experience or experiment as well. Something is related my videos, my YouTube journey. I wanted to know that actually I'm really very doing great or not, or something is you are getting from my videos, from my messages which I'm uploading, relate content. I'm talking about the content. I'm talking about my videos, my messages. It is actually helpful for you all or not? If this is actually helpful for you, so I will continue. Otherwise, I just skip these things. So I'm just thinking a lot in the morning, but it is okay. Like I just think, but I cannot do any kind of thing. So when I just read the messages, I'm so much happy to getting a really very positive messages. But sometimes some people also saying to me that I'm not good at grammar, I'm not good at English speaking. So I just thought that I should make videos or not. At that time I'm thinking, and I just actually leave that things. Okay. After that I just called a person, and that is call is unknown for me, and unknown for me, actually completely unknown for me. But I just recorded that call, and for God's sake, yeah, God also with me. And when the call is connected, and you just watch what happened while the conversation, what happened to continue during the call, what happened. That person also saying to me what about my YouTube platform, and just try to see. And you're gonna realize that I'm just doing good or not. I don't want to say any kind of things by my words. I know that I'm really very doing hard work for you all, because my purpose and my motto is only and only one, that how you can think to speak in English. And that's why I got a chance, and you can listen this audio recording very carefully. And after that you can realize that I'm so happy. Actually today I'm so happy to got this call. And thank you so much, Imran, on the conversation. That person is Imran, and he is from Patna. So now just listen this audio clip, and that person is completely unknown. That conversation is on the recording, but in the after, when I just asked to him after that, sir, shall I upload this recording on my YouTube channel? He said, actually, he so much hesitate. Oh my God, no, it's not like this. You can upload this recording next time. We also make video conversation, audio conversation next time. But it's okay, leave it like that. And after that, he said, okay, you can do that. You can upload. By this video, two purpose are there. First is I want to give the feedback about my YouTube channel. Second message is that you also can learn. If you prefer to call someone on the conversation, and you have purpose to learn English communications, how to conversation to that persons. Okay, so let's get started.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning to you. How are you, man?
I'm good by God's grace. Thank you so much for asking to me. You tell. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well.
Oh,
Thank
that's
you.
really great.
Yeah, so I saw your message. First of all, I'm telling, I want to tell you that I saw your several videos, and it was wonderful, and I liked every video that you have made.
Oh my
And
goodness.
one of
Thank you
one
so
of
much.
one of videos, I commented on that video in the descriptions, so I liked. That's why.
Oh,
So
that's really great. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Sounds great. Thank you so much
yeah,
to
it's my pleasure.
motivate me.
And yeah, just keep doing like this, and you're really doing a great job.
Oh my goodness.
And before some days ago, I tried to contact you, but unfortunately, it wasn't work.
Okay,
But
sorry for
finally,
that.
I no, it's okay. But no, I saw your message, so that's why I called you.
Yeah, today actually I am making plan.
Okay,
Something is new for my YouTube channel, so I just thought, okay, I just change my mode and I just
okay.
conversation with anyone. So
Just
thank
a
you so
random
much to
person,
calling me.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, got it. So, what's your future plan? In terms of if I'm asking about exactly right now, you have started your video and you uploaded your video on the YouTube platform.
Mhm.
So, what do you want to do next in order to improve your videos? Could you
Okay.
explain something?
Yeah, sure, why not? Actually, next plan, actually, I want to, first of all, actually, I want to concern on my communications, and that's why I just, still, I'm also practicing on my English communication. I'm not saying that I'm really very good at English, but I'm also
Okay.
trying to improve myself. And after the communicator, when I will be a good communicator, and definitely my next plan, and still that plan is also continue. I want to become motivational speaker involved. For that things,
Okay.
I am working a lot. I'm trying to improve myself.
I hope you will get better very soon, and I want to see like a motivational speaker.
Oh my goodness,
Definitely, you
thank
will
you
be.
so much. Thank you.
And when I saw your videos, I got motivated myself. That
Oh really?
yeah, because you are talking very calmly and very patiently. That every topic you have, you explained in a better manner, so anyone can easily understand what you are trying to say. So that is a good quality in you. uh, yeah, because you're just saying a simple things in a simple way. So
Uh-huh.
it's a beauty of language, you know. Why
Thank
I'm
you so
telling
much.
like this, because if I am trying to convey my message to the other person, to the
Mm-hmm.
audience,
Mm-hmm.
if I'm using a complicated word, a complicated sentence, and audience is not able to understand what I'm trying to say, so what is the point of to having conversation with the audience, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I am also not, I am also not having a really very good advanced language in
Yeah,
this language, English speaking. Okay,
yeah,
so but right now I'm able to speak in English, and that's why I'm uploading my videos in the simple way. So that of course,
yeah,
beginners, I have intentions to motivate and to push up the beginners, because beginners cannot speak and they think a lot
yeah,
how to improve the English communication, but thing is
yeah.
that they cannot understand if we will upload the video in an advanced level. They cannot understand, so
Yeah,
that's why I'm uploading in the simple language and in simple way, very calmly. I hope
yeah,
like all buddies are really really liking to this statement.
yeah. You're absolutely right, and I like the way you are explaining everything because you're following a simple way. I think you might be noticed that most of the motivational speaker, you can say international speaker, who are convey their message from the stage in front of hundred and thousands of audience. So they always use a simple language rather than complicated. Am I right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I most of the time I watched motivational videos and the international speakers. So I noticed one thing, which is that they always use a simple language as much as they can, and they easily convey their message to the audience, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's a beauty of language. So yeah, and I also try to follow these rules. Why I need to go into the complicated words or complicated sentence if anybody are not able to understand my language? I can use my complicated word, but why I need to impress anyone. There is no need to impress anyone. I need to explore myself. I need to express myself, right? I need to express my message to the other person. This is my motto. That's
Of
why I'm
course,
follow.
of
Yeah.
course, of course. This is also my motto.
Mm.
Actually, thing is that like I'm really very advanced in English. Suppose
Yeah.
I'm just giving to example,
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
and I'm
Go on, please.
uploading videos on the YouTube. Okay, but thing is that why I'm uploading? What is the reason behind that? I'm uploading video just because of my purpose, and my motto is only and only to push up the beginners. Okay,
Yeah,
and if I will upload the video in a advanced level, and I just using a really very fancy word, smart word, and smart
yeah,
structure, and I don't have like this also.
yeah,
But if I just think, okay, I will upload the video in advanced level, so what is
yeah,
a, like, what is a purpose? There is
yeah,
nothing
right.
any kind of purpose. Why people, why beginners will prefer to watch my videos? They cannot watch
Yeah, yeah,
because they
yeah,
cannot understand, and
yeah,
that's
I
why I
agree.
just yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree with you because you're telling the practical things. This is the practical. Nobody want to watch your videos if you're going a fantasy world or just a fancy word. And the one thing is that most of the international speaker clearly said that we don't need to go any complicated words. We should follow a simple language that anyone can attract you easily, right? So
Absolutely.
yeah. So do you have any question you can ask me?
No, I don't have any questions. So actually, question is that I would like to ask one question, that
Yeah.
completely you are satisfied with my videos which I am uploading in the simple way, in the
Yeah.
simple language. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So are you completely agree with it? Which I'm uploading videos on my YouTube channel in a simple way or in a simple language. This is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. It is okay, and I'm like this kind of way,
Oh my
and
God.
you should follow this kind of thing.
Oh,
Gradually, you will be better for like an international speaker, right? Because
mhm.
more it's a wrong myth. It's a wrong myth according to me. If I am talking in a complicated word, then people will recognize me as an international speaker. It's a wrong myth, right? If I
Okay.
am going a simple way, if I am able to explain myself in a simple language, so people easily understand me what I'm trying to say. So there is no need to go and there's no need to follow any complicated words or sentences. What do you think?
Yeah, yeah, of course you're saying right, absolutely, and I completely agree with it.
Yeah.
But still, I have questions. Can I ask you questions?
Sorry, can you repeat your questions?
Yeah, actually, still I have a query which I want to ask you. Can I ask you a question?
Okay, I should ask some questions to you, right? If I am sorry, okay, tell me something new that tell me about your career, your future plan. What do you want to in your future?
Okay, definitely I will tell you. But I want to ask a question. Can I ask you one question?
Yeah, yeah. Go on, please. Go
Oh,
ahead.
that's really great. Thank you so much giving me such a
Yeah,
beautiful opportunity.
yeah,
Okay, my question is that like, which I'm uploading nowadays simple videos.
yeah.
So what do you think that I will have, like, I should continue this simple video like for my beginners students? Is it okay for all?
Yeah, if we are talking about beginners, I think we all are beginners, right? If I have
Absolutely.
just I am taking my example. I consider myself at a zero level in terms of English every time, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Most of the international speakers is considered at their zero level because they are not consider themselves they are perfect in English, right? Nobody is perfect in this world, so we should not consider at the perfection level. We should focus more and more to get better and better day by day, right? This is the only way. So if you're asking that what kind of videos you should make for a beginners, so yeah, you are making a good video for a beginner. And if you're talking about the advanced level, so advanced level is also following your videos, right? Because
Okay.
if a person who is advanced in English, whose English is very perfect, so I think that person is also following your videos because you actually simple and complicated. There is a very thin line between simple and complicated. The line is that you must have a good content, right? If you have a good content, you can explore yourself to the audience.
Mm-hmm.
Whether you are explaining that content in a simple manner or complicated manner, it doesn't matter at all. But the matter is you have good content, right? So that does matter according to me.
Okay, thank you so much. So, I want to ask one more questions,
Yeah,
and
go
that
on please.
according to you, which I'm uploading nowadays, those video on my YouTube channel. So, what do you think that you are getting some message by those videos? You are getting some content as well.
Yeah, I'm getting some new messages and content. So that's why I'm mostly whenever I get time, I watch your video, and I really enjoyed your videos. You are speaking with some other persons, and every topic you are explaining, it's just I found it's a practical that you are saying everything.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I think we both are talking to each other on the first time. Am I right?
Yeah, this is the very first time we are talking with each other.
Absolutely. So, actually, you want to take permissions from your side. If you allow me, if you give me permission, so can I upload this recording on my YouTube channel?
Yeah, of course you can.
Oh, that's
Go
really
ahead.
great. Thank you so much. Thank you. So,
My
for the
pleasure.
things, actually, I need your picture. I need your photo. Could you please send me your photo? Only one photo
Uh, you can take my picture from my DP
from the
if you
WhatsApp DP?
want. Yeah,
Oh, that's really great. That is okay for you?
yeah, you can use it. I don't have any
Thank you
issue.
so much. Thank you.